Hi friends, this video shows how to remove memory card from Canon 1100D. This memory card slot is located in the bottom side of this camera. Let me turn it, and here you can see one cover. We have to remove this cap. We can open this cap like this. It's very simple. Just push this button. See, that way we can open this cap. Inside we can see battery, and here we can see the memory card. I will show you how to remove this memory card. Just press on that memory card. Just press, then release. See, then we can remove the memory card. Right, if you want to insert, we have to insert like this. Please note this corner. We can insert like this. Again, just press, then release. Then we can close this cap. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.